Secretariat High School welcome you all for online learning session.
Today in 7th standard English, we are going to see the lesson Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. In this lesson, we'll discuss various means of sending an invitation for an inaugural function in New Vision High School. This lesson gives us various samples of invitation which conveys that one can choose among various means of communication the one that best suits one's need. So let's understand this lesson. First, let's understand the meaning of seeing eyes, helping hands. Means that there are people who expect answer from you. They need you, though they are not related to you. One must help others who are in need on humanity basis, as New Vision School contributing to do. So let's see in this lesson. Everyone in the New Vision High School are busy working for the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. As school is delayed to send invitation, so Suhasini Ambekar, the principal of New Vision High School, prepared a formal invitation followed by the teacher in charge and student secretaries made copies of it. Srimati Vimala Naik, she is the ex-principal of New Vision High School. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, is going to preside over the function. Time and venue is noted here. So let's read the formal invitation. A formal invitation. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hand of Srimati Vimala Naik, former principal of New Vision High School, and President Sayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in charge of Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries of Seeing Eyes Helping Hands.
An invitation is a special form of requesting a person to attend an important personal or social function. Example, birthday party, marriage, inauguration of an exhibition, etc. Generally, format of an invitation begins with the name of the person whom are sending the invitation, followed by the name of the person who are to be invited, that is the invitees. Information about the occasion means what is the program, the date, time and place of the function must follow, and at the end a polite request to attend the function. A notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function, where you will note Srimati Vimala Naik and Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, who are going to preside over the function. So let's read a written notice. A written notice. Students of Standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hand of Srimati Vimala Naik, former principal of New Vision High School, and President Sayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Timing 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Oral invitation, where Ajinkya Sir called Girgaon Times, where receptionist transfer the call to the news editor, where he introduced himself and invited for the inaugural function to the news editor, where he will cover the news of the school project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, and school will get good publicity. So the editor made a note of it. So let's read in detail. an oral invitation. Receptionist, hello Girgaon Times. Teacher, good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist, just a sec. Teacher, thank you. News editor, hello Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher, fine. How are you? News editor, fine. Teacher, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor, one sec. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day. But as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor, fine. I have made a note of it. Teacher, thank you so much.
A conversation is an informal talk between two persons on any given topic of a common interest to both persons. Each person participating in the conversation has its own identity, taste, views and opinion. Format of an oral invitation, or you called it as an conversation, where the name of the speaker is followed by a colon. Each piece of information is written separately, one below the other, as shown in the example. Conversation is written in the direct speech. The entire conversation should match with the tone and the nature of the person. Ensure grammatical accuracy, correct spellings and appropriate punctuations.
Another oral invitation where Samir passed on message to his mummy and daddy, where he informed that Srimati Vimla Nayak will attend the program, and Sir Ajinkya said that it is compulsory to attend the program. So let's hear it. Another oral invitation. Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others. Turn by turn, they will explain that on Sunday. So, you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mummy. Let's see, Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. A note is a piece of brief information sent by one person to another or to a group of persons. This is done specially when the sender cannot communicate his or her message personally to the receiver. Format of a note writing. First, every note consists of the following parts. That is, first is date. It is written at the top right of the page. Addressee, name. It is placed at the top left of the page. Text of the note. The content matter of the note is to be written generally in one brief paragraph. The subscription, or you call it as the complimentary clause. Here the name of the sender is written at the bottom right of the page. No signature is required unless it is an official note. So through this lesson, we learn communication play important role. In today's time, with the rise in technological media, communication has undergone a drastic change from letter to emails. Invitations and message can be sent through WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and other social networking sites. Thank you.